Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on March 3, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. 5th grade, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 7, 8. 7th grade, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4, 7. 9th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 7. 3rd grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 10th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column J, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row and third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H and 8th row, we have pair numbers 8 and 5. So 8 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9, 8. 4th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Third row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. And third row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. First grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Sixth row and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. Second row and third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column E, we get 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Column G, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Ninth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. We can confirm 5 also here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column H, we have 8. Ninth grade also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.